Watch out for online grooming. Do you really know who you're talking to online? When I ask young people, what does an online predator look like? I get the generic answer of male, white, 30 to 50 years of age.
Mom? Can I go to my friend Tiffany's house tonight? She's gonna show me how to do my makeup.
Why doesn't Tiffany come over here? Besides, dinner's almost ready.
I'm not that hungry. Why can't I just go to her house? You're always so overprotective.
That's not true. Where did you meet Tiffany anyway?
Online. And who cares? Everybody meets online nowadays. You're just old. Plus, it's not like it's a guy.
Ashley, you're 17 years old. I want you to stay in tonight.
I hate this! You never let me do anything! I'm not a little kid anymore! Ashley! This is amazing. How do you pay for all this?
Me and my boyfriend have a business.
I wish I had a boyfriend like that.
With me, you can get anything you want.
Elevators make me nauseous.
Really?
Ugh.
Oh no! Don't throw out you.
I'll survive.
Oh my gosh. I was worried for a sec. Lashes are so long. I'm so jealous you barely even need this. Okay,
Thank
other
you.
eye, don't freak out. Beautiful, yeah. Oh, it looks so good on you.
Really?
Okay. And a little on top. Loosen your lips. Stop smiling. You're so smiley. Okay, and now go, look! Do you like it?
I love it.
Hey, have you ever tried tequila before?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Amazing. Let's get drunk.
Okay, but I can't drink too much because I have school in the morning.
Oh, don't worry. Here, have a shot.
That's strong.
Oh my gosh, you're such a newbie. That's so cute. Here, I'll get you a chaser.
Thanks. Whoa, slow down. Are you trying to get me drunk?
No, I just want you to have some fun.
Okay, one more.
Cheers. And you can't wear that to the club.
Okay, yeah, I'll definitely have to borrow something. Wow, I don't even know if I can walk in those.
There you go. They're one of my favorite pairs.
They do!
Hey babe, you make that online profile for her yet?
Not yet. I'll take some pictures when we get back to the motel.
Good job, babe.
What happened? Where am I? My head is killing me.
I think you got a little drunk. Here, take this. It'll help.
What did I tell you about making noise, huh?
Where's Tiffany?
Don't worry about that. Just do what I tell you!
Screw you! I want to go home!
Listen, if you don't shut up and do as you're told, this can end up bad for you and anyone you love!
You shouldn't mess with Max. He gets crazy. Here, take this. Do it! You look terrible. Do your makeup like I taught you.
Where did I go wrong? How could this happen to me? Someone please save me.
Here, take these.
Watch out for online grooming. Do you really know who you're talking to online? When I ask young people, what does an online predator look like? I get the generic answer of male, white, 30 to 50 years of age, unkept. They have this vision of a male sitting in a basement somewhere with the lights down on a computer, when in reality, an online predator can be anyone. Be careful of who you interact with online. If you feel uneasy, report your suspicions of online grooming to the platform you're using first. You can also contact Crime Stoppers anonymously. The victim could be anyone, maybe even you.